If you are using Final Cut Pro to create your YouTube videos, I have something really amazing for you today. I'm going to show you exactly how to create these types of YouTube descriptions along with timestamps and even hashtags, so you can produce your videos way faster. So there is this little known workflow with the use of Final Cut Pro and AI, which I'm going to show you in this video, and let's just do it. Let's just do it right now. As you can see over here, we have a fully cut video. It's just a simple screen share video, but it has been already fully cut, so it's ready to export. So then in Final Cut Pro, there is this function to create captions automatically. So then I just hit Command A to select all of the clips, and then just go over here and transcribe captions. And you will see that in just a couple of seconds, we will have captions for all of our video, and they are actually pretty accurate. Okay, so now our captions are ready, and then we just go to export video, and I have my export settings over here, and as you can see, it's 4K 30 FPS. Everything is fine, but here is the little secret. You just go to roles over here, and you have this .itt file, which is responsible for captions. So then you would just hit on export each ITT language as a separate file, so you will get it immediately once you hit export, and you will not have to wait for it, which is going to be a major time saver. So then we just click on next, and we choose the correct folder for this video, and we hit save. And now we are in this folder. That video is exporting as we speak, but we will still have to wait a couple of minutes. But while it's happening, we can already have our description and captions ready. So as you can see here, we have this ITT file, and now we are going to use AI to actually generate these timestamps and the description. Over here, we are in my Google Gemini account, which is really great for these types of things because you can set up gems. You can do something similar in, of course, ChatGPT with custom GPTs, or in Claude with Claude projects. But for this particular video, we will be using Gemini. So you just go to Explore Gems, and then you will just hit New Gem and set it up. But I'm going to show you exactly how I set up mine. So it's YouTube descriptor, and I have this really nice prompt for it. So it has the full context and all of the necessary information, as well as the instructions on how to create these timestamps, as well as the description for my video. I will actually share this prompt in the description of this video, so you can see how it works. But basically, you would just set it up so that every time you include this type of file, this ITT file from Final Cut Pro, it will automatically create this description for you. So now I'm just going to add that particular file. All right, so now this file is ready over here, and the title, and now in just a couple of seconds we will have our description and timestamps ready. Okay, so this took just a couple of seconds, and as you can see, we have a ready YouTube description along with tags that I can now just use for my video. And it has been done exactly according to my requirements. So I think this is a major hack. If you are using Final Cut Pro, you could do something similar in, of course, in CapCut, which also has automatic caption generation, or in Descript if you are using it. This export is still at something like 45%, but I already have the description and captions ready. so it's a major time saver. And now when this video has been exported, I will just upload it to YouTube and then put the thumbnail and the description in just a couple of seconds, and the video is going to be ready. So I hope that you have enjoyed this, and if you want to check a video about a major AI research hack that you can use in your daily workflow, then check out the next video on my channel.